Do you know how many manufacturing operations you need to produce a quality file like this one? Between 10 and 25. My name is Olivier Collet and I'm the new CEO of the company Usine Métallurgique de Vallorbe. The company will be 125 years old next year, and we are playing in the segment of forestry, luxury, watchmaking and jewelry business. UMV is about some figures. It's more than 200 people working here. It's 2,500 references in our catalog and over 500 customers served daily worldwide, over 85 countries. Beyond those figures, UMV is its people, values, and mission, together working with passion. Our ambition is based on three strong pillars: innovation, quality, and passion, which will help us to achieve our global goals. Our mission is to work with passion. Do you want to know more about our great company? Click here on the following link.